Okay, this is one of the first production models. This is one of the first 100 Swell Pro splash drone waterproof quadcopter. I've flown it a few times earlier today, and I think I can give you a real quick rundown on getting started with it. There's really only 3 calibration things that you need to do to get it going. Okay, the first calibration is the center stick calibration on the left stick here. First thing you do, you're going to want to turn on the transmitter. Go ahead and push the stick all the way up. You're going to power on the drone. You can't see the colors here, but it'll start flashing blue. And when it starts flashing blue, you pull the stick down, and then I just turned everything off once it starts blinking red. Okay, the next calibration is going to be the compass calibration. Is we can go ahead and start flipping this switch, the top switch here, back and forth about 6 or 7 times until the light turns green. Alright, you can see the lights turn green, and now what we're going to do is rotate it. So we're going to rotate it this way, horizontal, the green light, will then start flashing slow. You'll paint it face down, Swell Pro on the top, and turn it with it facing down until the green light goes off. See, now it's turned red, which means the compass is now calibrated. Okay, so real quick we're going to do the horizontal position calculation, or calibration, sorry. All you're going to do, you got everything on, everything plugged in. You're just going to move this stick right to left, and you'll see the light here change colors, blinking. So I'm going to just go back and forth, and then it should start blinking green. See how it gets the green flash? That should mean it's calibrated horizontally. This table's flat and level, so that should take care of that. Then we're going to turn it off and unplug everything and start it back up. So we're going to go ahead and plug it back in. Actually, we're going to go ahead. Turn the receiver on. This has to be up. This has to be down. Go ahead and plug it in. And this red light should go away. I think because this is the first time I've used it at this location, it's taken it a little longer to pick up the satellite signal. So it's still flashing red. The correct flashing, once you get into GPS mode, which is this stick down, all the way down position 3, will be GPS mode. It should be 2 green and then 2 blue flashes. Okay, we're back after letting it sit for a couple minutes, and you'll see the red light is gone. Now we're in attitude mode, which is the top position, and you'll see single blue light flashing. As I switch it to GPS mode, the bottom position, you'll see it goes to 2 green and 2 blue. And if you put it in the center position, you will see a single blue and a single green. So I've skipped a few steps, but before you start flying it, you ought to take the battery out, put the top on, push it underwater, let it sit underwater for a little bit, make sure there's no leaks, and then you can go on and get on with doing your flying. But here's just a little bit of video of some different flying I did in GPS mode. I'm not good enough to fly it in attitude mode just yet.